No one left behind. Whiteboard classes for the differently abled. When the COVID-19 pandemic spread its evil hands all over the world, normal human life came to an unexpected standstill. People remained shut up at their homes. Schools were closed. Children were shut up in the four walls of their homes. They were cut off from education and social life. But the teachers of Kerala reached out to every home of the learner through online classes. Kerala started online classes through the state's educational channel, Kite Victors, in June 2020 itself. These classes were made available on the YouTube channel also. But is it enough for the differently abled? They, in fact, needed classes set in different ways. Kerala was keen to see that no one is left out. Adapted online classes. That was SSK's solution to the issue. The adapted online classes were delivered through YouTube channels.
നമുക്ക് ചെടികളെ കുറിച്ചൊരു പാട്ട് പാടാം. എനിക്കൊരു ചെടിയുണ്ടേ, ചെടിയിൽ വേരുണ്ടേ, പൂവും കായും ഇലയും തണ്ടും ചേർന്നൊരു ചെടിയാണേ.
This unique initiative is named Whiteboard. Whiteboard has a YouTube channel for this purpose. Separate video classes were produced for each category: hearing impaired, visual impaired, cerebral palsy, autism spectrum disorder, intellectual disability, and specific learning disability were the categories considered. Preparations in this regard were started in June itself. Initially, technical training on shooting, editing, and recording of videos were given to selected special educators. Later, scripting and content development was done with the collaboration of teachers and special educators. Adapted video classes were produced for every single lesson, considering the challenges of the learners. By January 2021, Samagra Shiksha prepared and availed 1,000 adapted videos for the differently abled. Each video consists of 3 parts.
എന്തിനാ വന്നത്? അരി തിന്നാൻ. നിന്റെ കൂടെവിടെ? അതാ ആ മരത്തിൽ.
Directions to the parents, transaction of the content, and finally, a task to do. CWSN were formed in every BRC. Then, they were subgrouped into category-wise groups. Special educators download the videos from YouTube, and these videos were delivered to each category-wise subgroup. Considering the individual need of each learner, the special educators provide additional instructions and supports to them using social media groups.